Okay. Going.
Hey everybody, it's me, Dominic. This is my Las Vegas New Year's vlog. This is the day after Christmas. I want you to look at my stash right over here. If you can zoom down. This is my stash I got. I got some silver salute crackers, crackle flash, everything. But something new this year is gonna be a bang. Today is a lot of ground blue flower with report. So this is gonna be very loud. So I gotta put on my headphones right now. Oh yeah, one more thing. Kids, do not try this at home if you're a jerk off. That house should go, but I like it. That was a report. So that will be my New Year's. Probably going to be spending New Year's at my friend's house. So that's my assortment, but I got a lot more to do. So I wish everybody a happy New Year, and I'll see you later. Turn it off right now.